वज़ीर तजारत कहते हैं कि अगर यूरोपीय यूनियन ब्रेक्सिट डील पर दोबारा बातचीत का मुतालबा मुस्तरद करती है तो ये एक गैर जिम्मेदाराना इक़दाम होगा। स्काई न्यूज से गुफ्तगू करते हुए लियाम फॉक्स ने कहा कि यूरोप ममालिक के साफ इनकार करना उनके नजदीक नामुनासिब है। उनका मजीद क्या कहना था, आइए आपको सुनवाते हैं।
Well, are they really saying that they would rather not negotiate and end up in a no-deal position? I think that's not a responsible approach to take. It would have an impact on the European economy, on jobs and prosperity. Well, if they won't negotiate on it, then they are likely to end up with no deal. And the European Union said that's the best route to get, a hard border. So for the Irish, I think it's even more important than most that they are willing to talk to us about what the alternative ways are of achieving no hard border, because that's the stated position of both the Irish government, the British government, and indeed the European Union.